Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We meet again in our class Science DLP Year 3 with teacher Salia. Now we are going to proceed our lesson with our next topic, which is with learning standard measure and use number. Are you ready? Now let's go. Our objective today is pupils can state tools that we use to measure correctly and pupils can measure with the correct way. Jadi objektif kita pada hari ini adalah murid dapat menyatakan alatan yang akan digunakan untuk mengukur dengan tepat dan juga murid dapat mengukur dengan cara yang tepat. Okay, boleh cikgu teruskan? Okay, now we are going through our topic for today is under science process skill, which is measuring and using numbers. Measuring. What is measuring? Actually, measuring is we count or we measure some things in our daily life. For example, you look at the uncles below. He is measuring using numbers. Maybe he is a carpenter. Baiklah, mengukur menggunakan nombor adalah satu kemahiran yang kita gunakan dalam kehidupan kita hari-hari. Kita akan mengukur objek dan sebagainya. Bagi contoh, tengok pakcik dalam gambar tu. Dia sedang mengukur menggunakan nombor. Measuring using numbers. Alright. When we are going to measure, use numbers, we are going to focus the unit that will be used in our topic. When we measure, actually we use the standard unit. What is the meaning of standard unit? The unit that we use all around the world. That means all people around the world use the same unit when they are measuring some things. For example, to measure or how to buy the fabric. When you go to China, you ask the sales girls, I want to buy 1 meter of this fabric in Chinese. So, the sales girls will understand how much or how many the fabric that you need because you use the standard unit which is meter. Okay, sebagai contoh, standard unit bermaksud dalam bahasa Melayunya unit piawai. Unit piawai bermaksud unit yang digunakan di seluruh dunia. Sebagai contoh, kita ingin membeli kain di negara China. Kita guna dalam bahasa Cina lah. Dan kita berkata, saya nak beli kain ini sebanyak 1 meter. Jadi penjual di negara China akan faham. They could understand the word 1 meter. Sebab meter adalah unit piawai. Meter is standard unit that we use around the world. So why all the people around the world use the standard unit? Yes, because it is accurate. Kenapa satu dunia gunakan unit piawai? Kerana ianya accurate, tepat. So, that is the meaning of standard unit. This be used all around the world because it is accurate. Ianya tepat. So, this is the standard unit that we will use on our next activity. Okay, boleh teruskan? Okay, how to record time? Macam mana nak menyukat masa? What are the tools that can we use to measure time? Apakah alat? Tools ialah alatan. Apa yang kita boleh gunakan untuk menyukat masa? What are the tools? That means there are several tools that can we use to measure time. For example, this. This is stopwatch. This stopwatch actually is used by a teacher in science lab. And this one also stopwatch, and it is digital stopwatch. And which these two stopwatch, digital stopwatch is often used by teacher because it is easier to use compared to this stopwatch, right? Okay, have you seen this type of stopwatch? Ini dinamakan jam randik. Jam randik ni biasanya cikgu gunakan dalam mama sains untuk menyukat masa. Yang sebelah sini pun dipanggil jam randik juga. Tetapi jam randik digital, 2 nombor. Dan biasanya yang ini lebih banyak digunakan. This is often used because it is easier and the number is accurate. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, this is how we want to use the digital stopwatch. Step 1. At the stopwatch, there are 3 buttons. So, to start it, you must push this button to reset the time to 0. Ini adalah untuk reset, untuk setting masa dia supaya jadi nombor sifar. And step 2 is push the right button to start recording time. Jadi, langkah kedua, tekan butang sebelah kanan untuk start record. Okay, next. Step 3, push again this start button to stop. Jadi untuk stopkan dia, tekan sekali lagi butang ni. That means when you push this stop button, the time is stop moving. So we can read the time that we record. Okay. For this number, the first number here is the minutes reading. And the numbers at the back is seconds reading. So, what are the times recorded here? Yes, it is 3 minutes and 59.29 seconds. That is how you read the measurement here. Okay, boleh cikgu teruskan? Jadi, bacaan yang kita catatkan pada alat ini, bahagian hadapannya adalah bagi unit minit. Dan di bahagian belakangnya adalah saat. Jadi bacaan yang ada pada jam randik ini 3 minit 59.29 saat. Okay. Okay, next. This is the video how we use the digital stopwatch. Okay, so you start at the right button and then if you want to stop, push again the right button. So the number is stop moving. So the measurement of this digital stopwatch is 5.81 seconds. For the minutes, there is no measurement for minutes yet because it is not too long. Okay, next. The standard unit for time is seconds and minutes. Now, could you remember the first one? What is the tools? And the second one is, what are the standard units for time? Good. The tools is stopwatch and the standard unit is seconds and minutes. Okay, good. Now we proceed to our next. This is digital stopwatch in smartphone. You can check it in your phone or your father or your mother's phone. Alright? And ask them how to use this digital stopwatch on smartphone. Okay? Okay, next. How to measure length. So our second measurement is how to measure length. What is the meaning of length? Yang kedua, kita nak mengukur panjang. Apakah yang dimaksudkan dengan panjang? Length. Length is the distance between 2 points. Maksud panjang adalah jarak di antara 2 titik. That means this 1 point to this 1 point we call length. Okay, boleh faham maksud jarak antara dua titik. Okay. What are the tools to measure the length? This is some example that can be used to measure length. Ruler, you always use this. This is tailor's measuring tape. Ini adalah pita pengukur bagi tukang jahit. And this is carpenter's measuring tape. Yang ini untuk tukang kayu lah. Biasanya ayah kita ada kat rumah. Right? So, these three tools can be used to measure length. Okay, next. How do we measure length correctly? Macam mana nak ukur panjang yang tepat? Step 1. Place the end of the object in line with 0 mark. Objek yang nak diukur letak pada tanda sifar. And step 2 is the correct position of the eyes is on tip. Kedudukan mata mestilah secara tegak, parallel. So, the measurement is 9 cm. Okay. Next. Okay, look at this picture. This correct measurement is here, 42 centimeter. What a cute baby, Okay, right. Next. If your ruler is like this, the 0 mark is here. So, you must put the object at the 0 mark. Okay, kalau pembaris kamu seperti ini, ada lebih di sini, jadi objek yang nak diukur hendaklah diletak pada permulaan nombor sifar. Okay, look at this ruler. This ruler is different from previous because there is no 0 mark. So, where is the 0 mark? It's here at the end of the ruler. Jadi pembaris ni tak sama dengan tadi. Dia tak ada nombor sifar. Jadi kalau tak ada nombor sifar, sifarnya adalah tepi pembaris. So you put the object at the starting of your ruler. Okay, boleh faham Ada dua jenis pembaris. Nanti kamu boleh tengok pembaris kamu masing-masing. Right? So this is the correct position of the eye. It must be parallel, lurus. This one is incorrect. This one also incorrect. The pencil start at number 0. This is the correct way how to measure length. Okay, so this is activity time. Okay, our activity is let's measure correctly. So I've prepared here the activity or the object that you need to measure. The first one is the measuring time. You drink a glass of water and ask your mother, your father or your family members to measure what is the time that you need to finish drink a glass of water. And then here you write down what are the tools and what are the unit of time that be measured. Okay. And the second one is folding two t-shirt. Lipat kain. Measurement is about time. Masih lagi masa. Lipat kain. Ambil masa mula. Ambil masa akhir. Dan yang ini, this one is science textbook. You must measure the length. Also with the door, pintu rumah. So this is your homework. Okay. After you finish your work, the selfie time. Take a selfie of your activity and then send it to me. And the last one is in your activity book on page 4 and 5. So you finish the activity to make sure you understand. Alright, I think that's all for today and I hope you will understand what are going to be learned just now. Alright, okay. Till we meet again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.